Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best rock tumbler. Here are the top 3 rock tumblers that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. WireJewelry Professional Double Barrel Rotary Rock Tumbler. WireJewelry Rock Tumbler is made up of professional-grade material for extended operational life. It features a leak-proof hard rubber double barrel with a capacity of 3 pounds to minimize noise. It comprises a powerful 120 volts motor designed to operate 24/7 for coming years. This package comes up with a deluxe professional rock tumbler and a user manual. It comes up with a 2-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime belt replacement warranty. At number 2. Dr. Cool Pro Series Rock Tumbler. Dr. Cool Deluxe Rock Tumbler enables you to discover fun and excitement of the process by transforming rough rocks into elegant gemstones. It is an ultimate tumbling machine featuring a long-lasting motor, automatic shut-off timer, speed control settings, and a leak-proof rubber barrel for quieter performance. This equipment helps the young ones with proper learning skills by teaching geological changes and modifications from rocks to gemstones. This package includes 1 pound of tumbling stones of 9 different types, 4 different types of polishing gifts, jewelry fastenings, and an instructional manual. It comes up with complete satisfaction and assurance for a long-term use and renders 2-year manufacturer warranty. At number 1. National Geographic Hobby Rock Tumbler Kit. This National Geographic rock tumbler is able to polish and sparkle everyday rocks to gemstones. This rock tumbler is made up of sustainable material and works with a durable motor that ensures longevity and efficiency. Its simple instructions and touch operation makes the process fun and easy. It also consists of a one-touch time and auto shut-off feature. Its package includes a tumbler, 4 polishing grits, sifter, 9 types of original rough gemstones, and an additional detailed user manual. The toys offer complete satisfaction and guarantee for its long-term usage with fun and excitement. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.